Did you know there's a powerful spice that could completely transform your health? Turmeric, with its incredible benefits, has been used for centuries, and now science is finally catching up. In today's video, we'll uncover how this golden root can boost your immune system, fight inflammation, and even promote heart health. Stick around to discover why you should be adding turmeric to your daily routine. You won't want to miss this. Turmeric exhibits strong antioxidant effects due to its active compound, curcumin. This effect helps combat free radicals, protecting cells from oxidative stress and reducing signs of aging. Additionally, its antioxidant properties support the immune system and make the body more resilient against diseases. Curcumin in turmeric acts as a natural anti-inflammatory agent, reducing inflammation processes in the body. This property helps alleviate joint pain, arthritis symptoms, and other inflammatory conditions, contributing to the prevention of chronic diseases. Thanks to its antimicrobial and antiviral properties, turmeric strengthens the immune system and protects the body from infections. Regular consumption of turmeric reduces the risk of illnesses and enhances overall health. Curcumin increases levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, supporting the growth and connectivity of neurons. This effect enhances memory, improves learning abilities, and reduces the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. Turmeric supports the digestive system and soothes the stomach. It helps relieve issues such as gas, bloating, and indigestion, while also alleviating symptoms of inflammatory bowel diseases. Curcumin helps regulate blood sugar levels and reduce insulin resistance due to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. This effect lowers the risk of diabetes and improves blood sugar control in diabetic individuals. Turmeric supports heart health by improving endothelial function, which is responsible for lining blood vessels. Additionally, it reduces inflammation and oxidative stress, lowering the risk of heart disease. With its anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties, turmeric helps alleviate symptoms of skin conditions such as acne, eczema, and psoriasis. It also enhances skin radiance and reduces signs of aging. Turmeric's potent antioxidant content helps cleanse the liver of toxins and improve liver function. This effect is particularly beneficial in preventing liver damage caused by long-term medication use or alcohol consumption. Curcumin inhibits the growth and spread of cancer cells, reducing cancer risk. It also limits the formation of new blood vessels in tumors and prevents metastasis, suggesting that turmeric may play a supportive role in cancer treatment. So, what can we make using turmeric? Here are some sample recipes. Heat milk in a saucepan. Add turmeric, cinnamon, black pepper, and honey. Stir well and drink warm. Mix turmeric, lemon juice, black pepper, and honey in hot water. Stir well and drink warm. Mix turmeric powder, honey, and yogurt into a smooth paste. Apply on face, leave for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse. Mix yogurt, turmeric, cumin, and salt in a bowl. Serve chilled with fresh vegetables. Blend banana, almond milk, turmeric, cinnamon, and honey until smooth. Serve chilled.